5 proven passive income streams that make me $500 per week, step-by-step guide for beginners. Turn your daily drives into passive income opportunity. Transform your daily commutes into extra earnings by wrapping your car in ads for top brands. Here's how it works. Start by downloading the Carvertise app. Carvertise handles all of the costs. It's completely free, and takes just a few minutes. Once you have the app, you'll answer a few simple questions about your driving habits, like where and how often you drive. This helps Carvertise match you with brands that align with your routes. Once you match to a brand that likes your driving habits, your car gets professionally wrapped with advertisements for well-known brands. Don't worry about your car's paint. The decals are OEM paint safe and installed by experts, ensuring a seamless process. You're now ready to hit the road and start earning passive income. Every month, you'll receive direct deposits, with earnings starting at $100 and often ranging between $100 and $400. Exceptional campaigns can even pay upwards of $1,000. It's reliable, straightforward income for something you're already doing, driving. The best part that you have full control. You can choose which brands to advertise on your car, ensuring you're always comfortable with what you represent. Keep in mind that clients choose the areas they'd like to advertise in, so you may only have a few different brands for you to choose from depending on where you live. Nevertheless, you always have the choice to accept or decline a campaign. Carvertise works with 95% of personal passenger vehicles, but some models such as Hummer, Wrangler, PT Cruiser, HHR, and VW Beetle might not be eligible because these models are too difficult to install with Carvertise wraps. Unfortunately, motorcycles, commercial vehicles, transit vans, or any type of RV/motorhomes are also excluded. But if your car qualifies, you're all set to join thousands of drivers who are already benefiting. If you like to start earning passive income using Carvertise app, visit carvertise.com/drivers to download the app and join the growing community of their drivers. Launch a cryptocurrency Masternode. Earn passive income in the crypto world. Have you ever wanted to earn passive income in the world of cryptocurrency? Imagine getting rewarded just for supporting a network without trading or mining. We will dive into how you can launch a cryptocurrency Masternode and start earning passively. We're going to talk about Masternodes, what they are, how they work, and how you can set one up in just a few steps. Let's get started. A Masternode is a type of server within a cryptocurrency network. It provides essential services like network security and governance while earning your rewards in return. It's like being a VIP member of the blockchain ecosystem. To run a Masternode, you need two things: an initial investment in coins and some technical setup. For example, if you want to set up a Dash Masternode, you'll need 1,000 Dash as collateral. Other networks, like Scoin or Pivx, have their own requirements. Here's how you can launch your first Masternode in 3 simple steps. Choose the right cryptocurrency, research the network you want to join. Consider factors like rewards, entry cost, and long-term potential. Set up your wallet and secure your collateral. Download the official wallet for your chosen cryptocurrency and transfer the required number of coins. Deploy your Masternode. You'll need a virtual private server, VPS, to host your Masternode. Follow the official setup guide provided by the cryptocurrency network. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Once your Masternode is up and running, you'll start earning rewards automatically. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income while contributing to the stability of the blockchain network. Running a Masternode comes with multiple benefits. Earn passive income without mining. Strengthen the network's security. Gain voting power in the network's governance. It's a win-win game. So, if you've been looking for a way to dive deeper into the crypto world and earn passively, running a Masternode could be your next big move. And remember, always do your own research before investing. How to buy and stake cryptocurrencies for passive rewards. If you're looking to earn passive income from cryptocurrencies without the hassle of active trading, we'll be talking about how to buy and stake cryptocurrencies for passive rewards. Staking can be a great way to grow your crypto holdings with minimal effort. So, let's dive right in. In the world of cryptocurrencies, staking refers to the process of holding certain coins in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Instead of trading, you stake your coins to help secure the network and verify transactions. The most common way to stake coins is with proof of stake, POS, cryptocurrencies. Popular POS coins like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Polkadot allow you to earn rewards just by holding and staking your coins. Staking is simple. You buy the cryptocurrency you want to stake, then lock it into a staking wallet or a platform that supports staking. In return, you earn rewards, usually in the form of more of the same cryptocurrency, as a thank you for helping the network stay secure and function smoothly. For example, with Ethereum 2.0, you can stake ETH and earn rewards for helping to validate transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. Similarly, with Cardano, ADA, or Polkadot, DOT, Your staked tokens will earn you passive income over time. Now let's talk about the top proof of stake cryptocurrencies you can buy and stake for passive rewards. Ethereum 2.0, ETH, one of the most popular POS coins. Ethereum's transition to POS brings the opportunity to stake ETH and earn regular rewards, especially as the network grows. 2. Cardano, ADA. Cardano offers a highly secure and scalable blockchain. Staking ADA is simple, and the rewards can be pretty substantial with a low barrier to entry. 3. Polkadot, DOT. Polkadot is another great option for staking. By holding and staking DOT tokens, you can support the network and earn passive rewards while maintaining control of your assets. Getting started with staking is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a staking platform. You can stake through exchanges like Binance or platforms like Ledger Live. Buy cryptocurrency, purchase Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, or any other POS coin of your choice from a trusted exchange. 3. Transfer to a staking wallet. Once you own the coins, transfer them to your staking wallet or a platform that supports staking. Start earning passive rewards. Sit back and relax while you earn rewards. You can track your staking progress directly from the wallet or platform you're using. Unlike active trading, which requires constant monitoring, staking allows you to earn rewards without much effort. This makes it a great option for anyone looking to grow their crypto portfolio while minimizing risk. Plus, staking helps contribute to the security and success of blockchain networks like Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot. And that's it. You now know how to buy and stake cryptocurrencies like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Polkadot to earn passive rewards over time. Staking is an excellent way to make your crypto work for you, without having to deal with the stress of active trading. How to create a mobile app and earn passive income. We're going to talk about how you can create a mobile app and start earning passive income with minimal effort. Whether you're looking to solve a specific problem, entertain users, or even build a new business, a mobile app can be an excellent way to generate passive income. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to guide you through the steps to develop your own app, launch it, and start earning money through in-app purchases, ads, or subscriptions. Let's get started. If you've ever thought about how to make money with your skills or ideas, creating a mobile app is a great option. Mobile apps are in high demand, and whether you want to create something that helps people or just provides entertainment, there's a huge potential for success. The best part? Once you've developed and launched your app, you can earn money with minimal ongoing effort. That's right, in-app purchases, ads, and subscriptions are great ways to generate income while you focus on other projects or updates. The first step to creating a successful mobile app is to identify a specific need or come up with an idea that people would enjoy. Here are some ideas to help you get started. Problem-solving apps. Apps that help people with everyday tasks, like managing their finances, organizing their tasks, or even learning something new. Entertainment apps, games, media apps, or apps that offer creative content, such as jokes, memes, or inspirational quotes. Your app should serve a clear purpose and be easy for users to understand and navigate. Now that you have your idea, it's time to develop your app. You don't need to be a coding expert to build an app. There are many platforms like AppyPie, Buildfire, or Adalo that allow you to create an app without writing a single line of code. When developing your app, make sure it's user-friendly. The app should be easy to navigate, intuitive, and fast. Responsive, it should work smoothly on different devices, iOS and Android. Visually appealing, clean design will keep users engaged. Once your app is live, it's time to start making money. Here are the most common ways to generate revenue from your mobile app. In-app purchases. Offer users the option to buy virtual goods, extra features, or exclusive content within the app. This works great for gaming or productivity apps. 2. Ads. Integrating ads within your app is another way to earn passive income. Services like Google AdMob or Facebook Audience Network make it easy to add ads to your app. You earn money each time a user clicks on or views an ad. Subscriptions. Offer a subscription model where users pay a recurring fee for premium features or content. This works especially well for content-heavy apps like streaming services, fitness apps, or educational platforms. Once your app is launched and earning money, it's important to keep it up to date. Fortunately, updates don't require a lot of effort. You can release updates to fix bugs, add new features, or improve the user experience. So there you have it. Creating a mobile app is a fantastic way to earn passive income with minimal effort once it's live. Whether you choose to monetize through in-app purchases, ads, or subscriptions, the potential for making money is huge. How to write and publish an ebook for passive income. This idea is going to be a game changer. I'll be showing you how to write an ebook and self-publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once your ebook is published, it can start generating income for you passively through ongoing book sales, especially if you focus on evergreen content. This is a fantastic way to make money while you sleep, and I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. One of the best ways to generate passive income is by writing and publishing an ebook. Once your ebook is live, it can earn money for you over time, whether you're awake or asleep. If you've got a passion for writing, this could be the perfect opportunity. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, it's easier than ever to self-publish your work and reach a global audience. The first step in creating an ebook that generates passive income is to choose a topic that's in demand. It's important to select a niche that has a strong audience but also something that you enjoy writing about. Here are a few ideas. Nonfiction, focus on topics like personal finance, self-improvement, health and wellness, or career advice. Fiction, write a novel or short stories in popular genres like mystery, romance, or fantasy. Evergreen content, choose a topic that doesn't go out of style, like how-to guides, tutorials, or educational books. The key is to pick something that will continue to sell over time. Evergreen content is perfect for this. Now, it's time to actually write your ebook. This part can take time, but if you stay consistent, it'll be worth it. Here are some tips to help you get started. Set a writing schedule, write a little bit every day. Even 30 minutes a day adds up quickly. 2. Stay focused, focus on your topic and keep your writing clear and engaging. Don't worry about making it perfect in the first draft, just get your ideas down and edit later. 3. Use tools for better writing. Consider using writing tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor to help improve your writing and make it more polished. Make sure your ebook has a clear structure, easy to read formatting, and provides value to the reader. After you've finished writing, the next step is editing and formatting your ebook for publication. You can hire an editor or do it yourself using tools like Scrivener or Microsoft Word. Make sure your ebook is properly formatted for Kindle or any other ebook platform you plan to use. For Kindle, Amazon has specific formatting guidelines, so be sure to follow them to avoid any issues. Don't forget to create a catchy title and compelling description to attract readers. Once your ebook is ready, it's time to self-publish. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is one of the best platforms for this. Here's how to do it. Create a KDP account. Sign up for a free Amazon KDP account if you don't have one already. 2. Upload your ebook. Follow the step-by-step process to upload your ebook manuscript and cover design. 3. Set your pricing. Choose how much you want to sell your ebook for. Keep in mind that KDP offers royalty options, 70% for books priced between $2.99 and $9.99. 4. Publish. Once everything is set, click Publish and your ebook will be available for purchase on Amazon. Now that your ebook is published, it's time to get the word out. Here are some ways to promote your ebook and increase sales. Social media, share your ebook on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Amazon advertising, you can run Amazon ads to target potential readers. Email marketing, build an email list and let your subscribers know about your new book. 4. Collaborate with influencers, reach out to bloggers or influencers in your niche to review or promote your book. The more you promote, the more exposure your ebook will get, and the more money you'll make in passive income. So there you have it. Writing and publishing an ebook is a great way to create a passive income stream. By following these steps, choosing a profitable topic, writing your ebook, publishing it on Amazon KDP, and promoting it, you can start earning money while you sleep. I hope this video gave you the tools and inspiration to find your passive income idea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips for building your own business and generating income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.